Welcome back to another helpful tutorial where we make your digital life easier and more manageable. Today, we are diving into a simple yet essential guide that will show you exactly how to disable push notifications on the Kahoot app on your smartphone. First, open the Kahoot app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then, in the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Now, scroll down until you find the section that says Accept Push Notifications. This is where you can manage whether or not you want to receive notifications from Kahoot. Finally, simply toggle off the Accept Push Notifications option. Once you turn this off, you will no longer receive any push notifications from the Kahoot app on your device. That's all there is to it. You have successfully disabled push notifications on Kahoot and can now enjoy a more focused and distraction-free experience.